Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Mascara Monday. I'm on a roll with these videos. I'm pre-filming pretty much all of them, so all these videos that you see have been filmed like weeks in advance. So yeah, eyeshadow is looking rough today, but you know, we're just gonna go with it because I don't got time to fix it. Okay, so today we are going to be talking about the Real Purity Lengthening Mascara. This is the black mascara. I got a PR package from Real Purity. I will link that video down below. And of course, I wanted to try out their mascara. So let's read about it. This is from the Real Purity website. It says, designed to lengthen and darken lashes without coating them in irritating ingredients. It's no surprise that Real Purity's mascara is one of our most popular products. Real Purity mascaras never clump or flake, and all shades are paraben-free and hypoallergenic. Aloe vera extract acts as a strong antioxidant while moisturizing, calming, and healing. Organic jojoba seed oil, similar to an oil produced by your own skin, improves each shade texture and application, while beeswax, candelilla, and carnauba wax provide a barrier against irritants. Cucumber extract provides moisturizing and emollient properties, while argan oil, non-greasy and non-irritating, provide vitamin E and fatty acids. Oh my gosh, okay. This sugar uses a sugar-derived non-irritating preservative, the only preservative approved by Whole Foods, while helps preserve the quality of the formula and extends its time of use. So let's get to it.
Seemingly the greenery is drowning out the white light. The pigment isn't a figment of an imagination. Color on the wheel that provide a ventilation with the motivation.
My final thoughts on this mascara. I like that there are good ingredients in it, but I feel like I don't know. Let me go back and see how much this mascara was, because I'll tell you. Yeah, see, I think it was like $15. If this was more drugstore pricing, then yes, I would buy it. I wouldn't pay $15 for this mascara. I think if it was under 10, then that would be more reasonable. Okay, so the first thing that I didn't really like is that it's so tiny. Like, the wand is super tiny and it's hard to work with tiny mascara wands. Guys, I don't know, like the first couple of coats were good, but then I feel like my lashes kind of went flat. Like, I even curled them after I put mascara on and it's like losing the curl. I don't think this would be a mascara that I would wear by itself just because my lashes are falling kind of flat. I feel like it might be good to wear underneath false lashes, but definitely not on its own. And I think the price is a little steep for what you get. I don't know, maybe it's priced so high because of the good ingredients in it, but I kind of wish that it performed a little better. My lashes are literally like falling down more as I'm talking. So, guys, I really wanted to like this mascara, but yeah, I don't think I'd wear this on its own. So that was it for this episode of Mascara Monday. As always, if there is a mascara you want to see featured in this series, just comment down below and let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.